Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites: Azure subscription, Databricks Workspace on Premium, and Azure AD tenant alignment. Next, register or pick a service principal or managed identity for Unity Catalog access. Give it storage blob data owner on the ADLS Gen 2 container. Then create or confirm a Metastore resource in the workspace. This links to your storage URI. Once done, note the storage account, container URI, and credential object ID, so you can reference them in the following config. You now create the Unity Catalog Metastore and bind it to your Databricks workspace using the Admin Console or CLI. Make sure the workspace is listed under Metastore assignments. Then configure the storage credential, register the service principal or managed identity, set the storage root path to the ADLS container, and validate by running a simple read/write delta test. After that, create an initial catalog and schema, and assign owner principals so users can be granted privileges in the next step. Finish by assigning granular permissions. Use grant for catalog, schema, and table privileges, or use the Unity Catalog UI to map groups and roles. If migrating data, create external tables that reference existing delta paths so your data appears under the catalog. Finally, validate with users running queries. If things fail, check the service principal or managed identity has correct AAD role assignment and storage ACLs. Confirm the storage root path is exact, and review workspace binding. These fix most access and visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.